Hello guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to use Platinum Link app for DK65. So first, you need to turn it on. So when you turn it on, it will go directly to the Bluetooth. So if you want to connect a Bluetooth to your phone, laptop, or anything, you can just connect directly. But if you want to use the Platinum Link app or the remote to select songs to your TV, so you need to change the mode. It has FM also, line mode. Yeah, if you want to use aux cable from your TV or from your laptop or from your phone using auxiliary, you can just change the mode into line. And sing mode, if you want to use the Platinum Link app or if you want to see the lyrics to your TV. So this speaker, it comes with this AV cable. So as you can see, there's only one here from AV out. Then the other three cables to your TV, direct to your TV, so that you can see the lyrics and you can use the remote to enter the songs that you like. So yeah, now we are going to use the Link app. So we are here. You need to install or download first the Platinum Link app to App Store or Play Store. So just press, yeah, as you can see guys here, the line you need to wait until it's finished, until it's done. So choose Mode of Philippines. Yeah, again, there's a lot of models here for Platinum, but for the DK65 we're going to use DK Party Jukebox. Then next. So guys, sorry for my English. I am trying to speak in English so that everyone can understand. So yeah. So just wait. Sometimes it takes time to download that one. So just wait only until the white it will done until the end of the line. So yeah, now next time. So we already here in the song list, but yeah, as you can see, DK Party Jukebox try connect. So we are going to connect this one again. First press this 3 line here. Sorry, to my phone, it's all connect player. So Wi-Fi setting. So yeah, the speaker has built-in Wi-Fi, so you need to connected. No internet access. It's fine because we're going to use this for karaoke only. So the next move is search player. So search player, it will show up this DK Party. Connect and log in. That's it. It's very easy. And go back. As you can see it here, DK Party Jukebox is connected. So now you can use the Platinum Link app. So for here, title, if you want to search from title or artist, so it's up to you. So just here, country, Philippines only. Then yeah, you can use the Platinum Link app now. Yeah, just remember sing mode. And guys, for this one, for DK65, it's different from DK88 because here you can adjust directly the echo, the treble, the bass. But for DK88, you need to press the EQ at the top. Yan. First press this. This is a treble, so you need to adjust. This is treble, so you need to adjust like this. So next, this is bass, so you need to adjust also here. Then the third one is echo, so you need to adjust here. So treble, bass, and echo. So you can adjust. It's depend on what you are liking for the effect of the sounds. So yeah, so now it's already connected. You can select song while using the remote control, just enter the number, then reserve or play. Or you can use the Platinum Link app. It's more easier, which is you can just search songs. And guys, don't forget that you can connect 4 devices for the Platinum Link app. So either you have iPad, tablet, phones, 4 devices you can connect. So yeah, it's very easy to use and it's very comfortable to use actually. So reserve whatever you like, how many you want to reserve. Yeah, you can see it here. So if you want to do next, go back to the screen. Sorry, my phone is old. And yeah, if you don't like the song, then you can just next. Then yeah, so easy to use actually. And yes, and guys, one more thing, once you already log into the Platinum Link app, the next time you use it, just connect to your Wi-Fi, then you can use directly so just remember like that. No need internet if you're going to use this one. So yeah, guys, I hope it helps you. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.